Hello guys, I'm Rocket, and today I'm going to be talking about the elementary particles. Now, do any of you know what an elementary particle is? I'm guessing not. So today's big question is, what is an elementary particle? Let's make it little. There are, at this time, 18 theorized and discovered elementary particles. These 18 particles are split into 3 types, and there's 6 in each type, which is very even and very nice. One of these types are quarks. They're tiny little bits of matter that make up things like protons and neutrons in the atoms of everything in our universe. The quarks in these protons and neutrons are mostly up and down quarks, but there are also quarks called top quarks, charm quarks, bottom quarks, and strange quarks. But I'm going to spend loads of videos looking at those over the next few years. The next sort are leptons, which are pretty weird. They're both energy and matter at the same time. Last week when I was talking all about atoms, I said about how electrons are simultaneously matter particles and energy waves. Electrons are leptons, and they're all a bit of a weird bunch. There are also tau particles and muons, and then the various neutrinos for each. But again, I'll spend a lot of time in the next few years talking about those. And the third type of elementary particles are bosons, which, unlike all the other elementary particles, don't have mass at all. These things are hardly particles, really. They're more waves. They're called wave-particle dualities, or warticles. Unlike the leptons, which are usually particles that can become waves, bosons are also always waves and always particles. They are photons, gluons, W+ bosons and W- bosons, Z bosons, and Higgs bosons. Now, these 6 bosons are very confusing, but to top it off, bosons are also force carriers. That's not force as in what you get in Star Wars, or force as in the Speed Force that Geekman was talking about with his Flash video. There are 4 fundamental forces, called the electromagnetic force, the gravitational force, or gravity, the strong nuclear force, and the weak nuclear force, and these are all controlled by the various types of bosons. For example, photons are bosons which travel at the speed of light as waves and particles, and they carry the electromagnetic force. They are the electromagnetic force. If photons with wavelengths of between 1 × 10⁻⁶ and 1 × 10⁻⁷ meters strike your retina, the back of your eye, then you can see the thing that these waves are bouncing off of, because this is visible light. Photons are light particles. Light is part of what we see of the electromagnetic force. It's very complicated, but I'll explain it all in as much detail as I can in a video in the future. So, certain quarks and leptons are only affected by certain forces. For example, electrons are affected by the electromagnetic force, but not gravity. This video today is probably going to be really short, but that's only because this is more of an introduction to a 2-year series I'm going to be starting in January, where I'll be talking all about the elementary particles for the next 2 years over the course of 18 videos, focusing on a single elementary particle in each video. So that's going to start on Tuesday, the 24th of January 2017, and I will continue with the 18th video being uploaded on Tuesday, the 19th of October 2018, and then I'll move on to a new project in January 2019. But this, at the minute, is my last video for 2016, but Dan and Geekman will keep posting monthly, and both Rocky and I will be back with 3 new videos each in January. So until I'm back in January, please do keep watching the channel, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, as well as watch all our other videos. around December, we're going to be putting up a timetable calendar of our videos and episodes for 2017. So you'll have something to look forward to, and you'll know when to be looking online for us. But until January, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all next time. Bye.